So I'm just back with the upper crankcase. This is where the selector drum goes in, and the bearing just literally sits in that housing there. So had issues getting this out. As you can see, there's 3 screw holes. So that one there is okay, and all the threads are intact and it came out okay. Just had like a single little retainer. That one there, or those 2 there, had like a bar retainer. In fact, it's this right here, sits just like that. And that one I had to drill out, but I think it's fairly concentric, and that one just sheared off. So I'm going to have to just knock out that remaining bit of countersunk screw, and I think they rethread this hole. I think it is fairly concentric, so if it rethreads okay and cleans up okay, we're good to go. That one I'm going to clearly need to extract. So I think they're both Loctite in, but no damage. Somebody did say to me actually that I've got to, or it's likely I'm going to have to put those back in with countersunk screws. That one was actually a hex head, that one was countersunk. I'm not so sure looking at it. I think I've probably got clearance. I don't quite know why Honda did a countersunk screw there and a hex head there. I'm sure they had their reasons, but looking at everything, where the bearing sits and that little star wheel sits, I think there's probably clearance for a hex head, but it doesn't matter. I'll put it back in with whatever I need to. Anyway, let's get to work on rethreading this and drilling this out and see if we can get this little retainer refitted, ready for when it's all put back together. Obviously I'm going to have to clean this right up and deburr it, etc. It's got some weld on there, as you can see from my attempts at getting that screw out. Anyway, oh, and I did do a little bit of damage there actually, but it's with absolutely no consequence. It's skirted it. It's there's enough mating surface there to not worry about that. No problem whatsoever. So my stuff. If I break it, I fix it. My problem. No problem. That's one of the countersink screws. So obviously what I replaced the damaged one with is going to be similar but different, because drilling it out and rethreading it, unless I sort of time cert it or something, is going to give me a different thread diameter and pitch and all the rest of it. So anyway, let's get to repairing this little retainer. Right, nice and oh no, I was going to say nice and smooth, but that's a bit sharp. Still needs a little bit of finishing actually, but it'll do. And that end just need to clean out with a needle file. It's got a bit of Loctite in it. All good, both ends I think. I'm not going to fuss with it anymore. Should go back in just fine.